I am here in my home studio and I came home to a nice surprise, and it is my new lighting system, and hopefully it will improve my looks. Yeah, good luck, right? So let's see what we got here. I have been using the square kind, and this is the round kind. Oh boy, it's a monster too. Look at this. Woo! So if it's my understanding, you're supposed to be able to go like, well, I guess I'm gonna have to do it on the floor. Been seeing people do these. Whoop. Okay. What do they call this? Whoop. Hey, this is not as easy as it looks, guys. I keep seeing these people that get one of these and they push down and it pops into place. We're not popping here. Okay, well, that didn't work. When in doubt, read the instructions, right? Don't you love these things? Who can read this stuff? I have new glasses. No, trust me, I really do. I did get these glasses, $500, and I can't read this stuff. I don't know. This is bizarre. Okay, you're supposed to do that. Let's see. You're supposed to be able to just like push down on this puppy and make it explode. There's some kind of hook in there. Ah, there we go. So there's like a hook at the bottom. And ta-da, my new hat. Okay, it's lopsided. Whoa! Good job, I moved my glass of wine. Okay. Now, I don't know what that is, but I kind of have it together. It's a bit lopsided. Ow. Try to weasel this around a bit. And these are not cheap, guys. Not cheap at all. But if it makes me look beautiful, what the heck? Okay. So here's the other part that I got, an Amaran Light fixture, which goes inside this puppy. So let's take a look. Hopefully this works better. And I don't have to read the tiny little fonts. Wow, this is a serious case for this baby. Look at this. I don't know if you can see this. Okay, let's go down. Holy smokes. Look at that. Wow. This looks so high tech. I don't know if I'm ready for this or not. Well, it's not too heavy. Cool. So right now, in here, I have no light on. Because we're not going to have light for a little while. Alright, now you can see better. Alrighty, let's take a look at all this stuff. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Fabric diffusion. Okay, well, we're not going to mess with that. Oh, and it comes with batteries. Look at these batteries. Holy smoly. Battery charger. Oh, I guess that's replace. Look at this. This is like heavy duty stuff, guys. And here's a big cable. So once I get this all hooked up, I'll let you know whether I think it's worth it. It's what all the big boys use. Okay, let's get this off here and go about putting it together. And where's the instructions? Probably in the same tiny font that the other one is. Let's see here. right. Do you think they can get it any smaller? Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. This thing is supposed to work with your phone. I don't want it to work with my phone. I just want to be able to turn it on and off. I'm a simple girl. Okay. Oops. There we go. All right. Okay, right now we have very limited light here. I'm in my house studio. So here we have a big long plug here. And the other day I bought a light pole that is on wheels. So here we go with that. And it is specially for this baby. Ooh, look at that really nice long cord. That's great. Okay. And where do we plug it in? I don't know. There's this. Oh, okay. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. There are no instructions. This is like, oh my gosh. I'm in trouble. All right. Well, I guess we're going to just wing it. Figure this out. Okay, start putting this in holes to see where it fits. DC in. There we go. Oh, and it tightens down too. See that? Okay. And it's got this big, huge battery thing that you attach to the wall. And then it's got battery chargers, but no batteries. Oh, that's very interesting. So you have to buy the batteries separate. This thing wasn't expensive enough by itself. They don't even give you batteries, cheap buggers. This better be worth it. Like, there are no instructions. Nothing. Zip. Oh, nothing hiding in the box. Okay, so remove the protecting cover before use. Okay, so let's take this protecting cover. Oh, so this must be, how do you do that? Oh gosh. I guess you're supposed to be able to get this off. Ah, there we go. Oh, so this must be the LED light in there. Okay, I have never owned anything like this, guys. Here's what I have been using for years. See this? And then here's the bulb inside. And do you know how many times I have dropped these and broken the bulb? And $18 every time. It's like, oh, well, we don't want to do that anymore. Okay. So, let's see if we can figure this out. So there's this thingy here. So I guess that goes in on here. Oh boy. Uh-oh. Oh shoot. I got it jammed. Oh man. Oh, I hate this stuff. Okay. So there we go. We got it in right that time. Then we have to figure out how it attaches. And it's got some kind of funky thing here. Where does that go? I don't know. It's got a screw thingy. Oh, okay, that must go here. Ouch. So, if there was, be nice if they had instructions that went A, B, C, you know, for us dum-dums. Okay. Because I am not tech savvy. I mean, I can bake it with the best of them, guys, but not tech savvy. Okay, so what do we do next? I guess, well, maybe this goes up on the post or something. Oh, there we go. So here's this. Oh dear. Now I'm going to have to unscrew this. There we go. It's in the top. All right. Okay, here's what I got. I just took this. It was horizontal, so I want it vertical. And looks like you just put this on top. Hopefully this will work. This thing weighs a ton. Could be rather top heavy. All right. I better look gorgeous after buying all this stuff. That's all I have to say. Ow! That doesn't work so good. Oh, crap. Oh, I'm going to lower this. And more stability. All right. Oh, boy. Okay. All right. Now, I didn't get the Omar on Think suggested a stand, that a heavy duty stand. He uses one that's really heavy duty, and it was expensive. So I'm no longer rich, so we had to get this one, and the price wasn't too bad, but you gotta get what you can afford until such time as you figure you need the fancy schmancy stuff. All right, let's try getting this lantern on here. This should be a joke. Okay, how the hell does this fit? Oh, I see. You got to put this on first. Okay, so this goes on first before this part. All right. So how do you get that part on? Oh my God. No instructions. This is awful. It would have been nice if they had instructions, and there aren't any. And that's not cool. It's just not cool. And okay, so now it's on. Oh, that is bright. Ooh. Okay, well, I guess if I ever figure out how to work this thing and get it on, then it'll probably be a good thing. But right now, it's completely useless because I put the wrong thing on first. Look at that. It would have a nice light. Okay. Well, this is my story, and I'm sticking to it. I will keep you apprised of this insanity that I'm going through. So, thank you for watching. If you're enjoying the content, I want to see more of my craziness. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me and share. Okay, have a great day. I gotta get somebody with strong fingers to help me do this. All right, I'm back after searching through a ton of videos. Found one that showed me how to do this and how to get this thing off and get this thing on. All right. Unfortunately, I have really weak hands from 28 years of being a lamp worker, and once one of these things gets screwed on, I can't get it off. Oh, here we go. So it's got one of those mounts that you usually use for your camera, and I guess I'm gonna have to figure out how to make this work. Seems a little precarious here. Wow. Still here. I don't know. Okay. So I'm going to just pull it away and let's turn it on. How's that? Oh, I look gorgeous. I can't stand it. Oh. Just kidding. Well, here it is. I feel like I'm holding the moon. I guess we'll see how this goes from here on. I hope you learned something here. Research online. you have to research online. That's all you have to do. It's like, it's so great. All right, let's see what this looks like. Oh boy, that's bright. That is amazing. All right, let's see if we can turn it down a little bit. Okay, I turned it down to 40%. How's that? Let's see. Oh God, there we go. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, see you soon and have a great day.